Batman, the Telltale Series, the enemy waiting. Episode 5. Wer zuletzt lacht. Die Bedrohung Gothams erreicht einen Höhepunkt und Bruce muss entscheiden, wie weit er gehen will, um seine Stadt vor einer Macht zu beschützen, die ihren Untergang verspricht. Und damit sage ich Hallo und herzlich willkommen zu einer neuen Folge von Batman, the Telltale Series, the enemy waiting. Und ich bin euer Drandobaki und ich glaube, mein Mikro ist zu laut. Ich weiß es nicht, ich hoffe, es ist nicht zu laut. Die Vorgängerversionen, die waren eigentlich alle super. Und ich hoffe, das Mikrofon ist jetzt nicht zu laut. Ansonsten tut's mir leid, aber ich denke, das hört man gut. So, leider konnte ich das neue Mikrofon, das ich in Folge 1 von Episode 1 genommen habe, nicht weiternehmen, weil es zu viele Nebengeräusche gab. Aber ich habe gemerkt, die Audio ist einiges besser als das mit dem Headset. So, ja. Ich weiß nicht, wie laut der Pegel im Aufnahmeprogramm, der schlägt aus. Naja, ich hoffe nicht zu laut. So, also, Episode 5. Das ist richtig spannend, diese Serie von Batman. Staffel 2. Und wir mussten schon in den Underground und wir mussten uns quasi auf die böse Seite stellen, als Undercover Agent von Agency, wobei die Agency auch irgendwie kriminelle Machenschaften hat oder so, also die führen auch irgendwas im Schilde, da weiß ich nicht was genau. Auf jeden Fall haben wir quasi bei der Entwicklung von dem Joker oder von John Doe ziemlich mitgeholfen, muss ich sagen. Also wir helfen einem Kriminellen, ein Superschurke zu werden, der eigentlich alles von uns weiß. Das könnte eigentlich der größte Feind werden, der uns gegenübersteht, weil er uns quasi so ziemlich kennt. Wir werden schauen. Deine Entscheidungen bestimmen den Verlauf dieser Spielereihe. Die Geschichte hängt davon ab, wie du spielst.
Bruce, buddy, what's it been? A week? 2 weeks? Sorry I didn't call sooner. I've had to stay low, real low, like underground. Every time I pop up, Waller's idiots are there, and they don't seem to care whether they bring me in alive. I gave her Harley, the girl of my dreams, on that bridge, and what did I get for thanks? Waller tried to shoot me. The only thing she cares about is getting this virus back. If that ain't happening, well, I'm sick of keeping out of sight. I put together a little crew. It's time to get things moving again. Our plan. To bring them all to justice.
East End, 22:35 Uhr.
I want you to be there to see it. Today, I'm gonna make Waller and the agency wish they never messed with us. Our fight starts now, Batman.
He's trying to provoke them. I have to stop this.
Be careful. Since you defended John, you're on Waller's most wanted list as well. Best keep a low profile.
She is hell-bent on finding John Doe.
Can I blame her? He has the longest virus. And he made her look like a
The agency is out in force.
Waller won't leave anything to chance. John humiliated her on the bridge.
And then escaped with the virus.
We better make sure she doesn't feel again. We have to catch this guy.
One of those whack jobs is gonna give him up. Harrison, make sure.
Looks like the place has gotten a makeover.
I thought John was hiding from the agency. Why would he draw this much attention to himself?
He's clearly up to something.
Wir kennen ihn, aber irgendwie kennen wir ihn doch nicht. Wir können also nicht sagen, was John Doe im Sinne hat. Wir wissen nur, dass das nichts Gutes.
If I move now, they'll see me. Those shotguns pack a punch. Better stay out of his line of sight.
Jetzt sieht er uns, okay. Okay. Jetzt dreht er sich, glaube ich. Oder was macht er jetzt? Ja. Ich weiß nicht, dreht er sich nochmal? Okay. Wer ist denn das? Ist das eine Agentin?
Automatic weapon. It's extreme. Even for the agency. Waller's desperate.
Waller ist verzweifelt.
No way to sneak past this one. I'll need to distract him.
Laternenmast.
I could use a bat stunner to fry the light. That should draw his attention.
Sollte seine Aufmerksamkeit.
My bat stunner would set off the car alarm. That should get the guard moving.
Er müsste ja sich in Bewegung setzen, nicht wahr? Alarm auslösen.
What the hell?
Und dann könnten wir ungefähr hinein.
We're gonna end this right now.
We ain't giving him up. He cares about Gotham.
You're all gonna pay.
What you and your agency are doing here isn't right.
Tell me where John Doe is!
I ain't no rat.
That's too bad. Rats have a knack for survival. Kill him.
Batarang. Wow! Scheiße.
Batman.
These agents are crazy, Batman. They're gonna kill us.
This stops now, Agent.
Waller said you'd be trouble, that you'd protect John Doe. But I'm thinking, that can't be right. Doe's a monster. And these clowns here, they call him a hero. That's not what you think, right?
John helped the agency arrest Harley Quinn.
And then he ran off with a deadly megavirus.
Because your boss tried to shoot him.
That was justified. You helped them, you're helping him. And if you're helping John Doe, you're the enemy too. Fire! Hit him again! What the hell?
Boss! Sorry I'm late.
Episode 5.
Almost missed my own debut.
Wer zuletzt lacht.
John?
Nope. Better than John. Come on, partner. Time for some justice. He's open.
Ist frei. Yep.
Deadly force authorized!
Well, this is unlucky.
these guys.
Ja, mit dem Unterschied.
That was so much fun! Take that, agency scum!
Pigs.
Willie, Frank, Lauren, thanks for hanging in there. Who's hunting who now? You and me, Batman. Fighting crime together. We make one heck of a team. Don't you think?
What you did to these agents, you didn't have to hurt them so badly to get them to stop.
I just did what you did. You hurt people like all the time.
John.
Eh? Joker.
What?
There is no more John Doe. It's Joker now. It's my hero name. Like, you know, Batman. I tried out a few other ones. Birdman, Hawkman, Fox Batman.
You know, I like it.
Oh, I thought you would. It's a name people are going to remember. We've done good work today, Batman. Waller still doesn't have the virus. He kept the agency from killing my friends. Tried 2 out of 4 new moves. Wait a second. Wasn't that Harrison guy, like, right over there?
Drop it! Drop the asset!
Achtung! Entschuldigung, wir müssen niesen. Wer zum Geier ist das?
Bane.
You're working with them?
Director Waller promised you revenge. Here's your chance.
Oh, Scheiße.
Get out of here! We're not leaving you.
Me and Batman. We've got this.
Remember, the director wants Batman alive.
I don't care what she wants.
Do as you're told.
Pathetic.
Als würde das jetzt etwas bringen. Okay, die Action beginnt. Scheiße! Shit! Ich habe mich jetzt auf die Zeit konzentriert. Nun gut, weiter geht's. Die Action beginnt immer noch. Ich habe mich jetzt echt auf die Zeit konzentriert. Warum habe ich da nicht reagiert? Entschuldigung. So, jetzt konzentrieren wir uns aufs Spiel.
What? You Too weak!
The venom should have worn off by now.
Waller made some improvements to the formula.
right?
I will enjoy tearing your head from...
Enough with the monologue. Finish the job!
You pitiful little man!
Pull that monster off!
Let go!
Harrison really red. Oder war Harrison nicht davor?
What's the
Scheiße.
plan? If you can stop him for just 1 second, then I can...
I'll lure Bane under that smokestack, then you knock it over.
Don't die before I'm ready!
Now, we can do this my way! Joker, no!
Hey, Bane! Ever considered a career change from luchador to pavement stain?
War Harris nicht der Freund? Wow. War Harris nicht der Freund von dieser Agentin da?
Painful.
Scheiße.
No! No!
I will have my revenge. You will pay for killing my friend.
What are you?
Riddler! Waller told me what you did. You let Batman defeat him, and then you struck like a coward.
No! I didn't! Batman! I didn't!
You would work with such a man? A murdering coward?
Said I didn't kill him! Lawler's a liar! I didn't kill Riddler! What was that? I can't believe you! You shouldn't have stopped me! Don't you remember who this is? Look how many innocent people he's killed!
You can't be a killer and a hero. It's one or the other.
Says who? Not history! Do you think that... Okay. Okay. Heroes like us don't kill. Even when they're wrongfully accused of murder.
Why does Waller think you killed Riddler?
I don't know. She probably did it. She's probably trying to pin it on me. But I didn't. You know that, right? Batman, you're hurt.
Stay where you are. You are both under arrest.
I gotta get out of here.
Alfred,
Bruce, are you all right?
I need a quick patch-up. And I'm not alone.
I'll come to you.
Sending coordinates.
Okay. Willkommen bei The Joker. Batman, the Telltale Series, the enemy within. Parkside 23:22.
Easy. Is that who I think it is?
You must be John.
He goes by Joker now.
You know who I am?
Bruce has mentioned you, yes.
Really? What'd you tell him about me? All good things, I hope.
Alfred knows you're a friend of mine.
And any friend of Batman's?
Bruce, I know. We're tight like that.
Yes, he informed me.
That's great! No secrets between us. We're all part of the club. Wow! The Alfred! I've been collecting tabloid photos of Bruce for years, and you're in the background of at least a third of them.
You're hurt. Let me have a look. Let's get this off you.
Ugh.
I'll take care of stapling the wound. Can you...
I'll prepare the compress.
Can I help, Alf? You mind if I call you that?
Ach komm, wir reden zuerst mit John.
Joker.
What's up?
That looks a lot like a batarang.
A batarang? No, I don't even see how you'd think. Oh, yeah, maybe. But it isn't. It's totally unique. It's a Joker-rang.
Uh-huh.
They're really warm. Been in my pocket all day.
You've got a new look.
Awesome, right? You'd be amazed what you can find in thrift stores. But also on mannequins in fancy stores when no one's looking.
Certainly makes an impression.
Well, I was aiming for a Batman. But me! Dark and scary. Like my best bud. But also flashy and fun. It finally feels like the right skin.
Uh-huh.
Aha.
When you jumped off the bridge, that was one hell of a drop. What happened after?
That was crazy, right? It seemed like a fast getaway. Terminal velocity and all. Anyway, I hit. Sploosh! And it was dark and cold and wet for a while. Then I ended up grabbing onto some flotsam. Or was it jetsam? No, it was flotsam. Floated on that until I hit the shore, found Frank from the stack deck, and got some dry clothes. Gave me a different outlook, you know? New lease on life.
Glad it worked out. I should get back to my arm.
Of course. I don't want you getting gangrene.
Ja. Aufschlussreich.
I can't disinfect it with that piece still in there.
It's like a Dickens novel come to
Was?
life. I bet it comes in very...
That's gonna have to come out.
Ach so. Ja, dann nehmen wir die Pinzette.
This ought to be fun.
Maybe I was British before Arkham. Does this sound
Aber für alle, die jetzt nicht hinschauen können,
You
schaut
there,
nicht hin.
boy. Get the Queen her beans for breakfast. How's that sit
Okay.
with you?
I'm guessing there's no way this doesn't sting.
Your honesty is appreciated.
Tja. Also, liebe Leute, nicht hinschauen, die das nicht verkraften
So,
können.
I'm dying to know.
Damn it.
Bruce like.
What the hell? Oh, ich spüre gerade, wie es extrem brennt.
Really?
Und dann noch ein Tacker.
These should do
Oh
the job.
nein.
Count all the terrible, terrible things he did.
Oh, Leute, nicht hinschauen.
I knew it!
Ow.
And it was quite the production getting this one to go to bed.
Okay.
Little, he was probably
Done.
like,
Funktioniert das wirklich, liebe Leute?
We've had too much practice as of late.
guess it's just one of those Wayne luxuries, huh? Having someone like Alfred to take care of you. You're kind of his ward, huh? Do people still use that word?
To be honest, I'm not sure why he puts up with me.
I often wonder myself.
You guys are so cute. Alfred. The eye patch. Pirate cosplay?
It was an unfortunate result of being on the job.
Whoa! He literally gave an eye for you, Bruce.
It's Waller.
We know what you did, Waller. You're gonna regret. Sorry.
So you're with our mutual friend.
Good. It'll make this convenient.
I want John Doe.
Joker. Sorry.
John Doe and the virus. In 2 hours. Or I go public with your identity.
I don't want to burn you down, Bruce. But I will.
Go to hell, Waller.
Oh, grow up, Bruce.
The virus. Your Joker. At the GCPD. 2 hours.
She's going to kill me! Kill me or turn me into a slave like Bane! And look what happened to him! I don't want to have some maniac stab
Waller
me.
won't stop coming after you until she gets the virus. But we can't give it to her. We have to destroy it.
We do? Why?
Oh.
Not that I'm second-guessing you. I just want a reason.
You know why.
Yeah, I guess I do. It's dangerous, could fall into the wrong hands, the whole city could die, etc.
With the virus gone, Waller won't see you as much of a threat.
Well, I don't like the sound of that. She's going around telling lies, pinning murders on me. She has to pay for what she's done. I could put just the slightest hint of virus in Waller's shampoo. Or maybe her perfume. Technically, I'd still be giving her the virus. I only want to see her melt.
Listen to me very carefully. You do that, and you cross over to the other side. And believe me, you do not want to find yourself at odds with me.
Oh, come on, Bats! Don't tell me you've never thought about watching her die in pain.
I'm warning you.
I don't know. Dr. Leland did say I had trouble letting things go. Known issue. So what am I supposed to do? Give up my grudges? What am I gonna lie awake at night stewing over then? It just makes me so angry.
You have to rein in your darker impulses. That pain will only rot you from the inside out.
Well, if you say it's the right thing to do.
Ja. Aber meint ihr, gibt's mir? Gibt's mir
I'm trusting you on this.
Now, right here.
That's it?
That's it. Completely inert now.
Joker, Bruce and I need a moment.
Oh, okay. I'll check the perimeter.
I'm relieved to see he listens to you. You can balance him out. Just don't take your eyes off him.
Coast is clear.
Waller has leverage on me. We need a countermeasure.
Perhaps someone on the inside can help.
Someone who's lost faith in Waller's crusade.
You have someone on the inside?
Was? Kartenschirm. Hä? Ach so. Ich wollte schon sagen. Im Prinzip, Agent Everest.
Agent Amana Vesta. She changed her tune about Waller after the raid on the Sanctus facility.
If she's looking for a way to fight back, you could give it to her.
She's our best bet.
Würde ich jetzt auch mal behaupten.
Batman.
Waller's threatened to reveal my identity if I don't hand over Joker and the virus. I need some information on her. Something to negotiate with.
Well, you came to the right person. When do you need it?
I'm meeting her at the GCPD in 2 hours.
Meet me on the roof in 1. I'll have a little present for you.
We're taking the Batmobile? We're taking the Batmobile?
Was tun wir hier drin? Ja, Batmobil oder nicht? Wie es weitergeht, werden wir in der nächsten Folge sehen. Ciao!